Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel Lock Your Learning. In this video we are going to solve ICSE Mathematics Class 8 Chapter 8 Profit Loss Discount Exercise 8A. Question number 1. A person purchased a chair for rupees 700, spent rupees 170 on its repairs and rupees 30 on the cartage. If he sold the chair for rupees 1080, what is his gain percent, right? So he has purchased a chair for something rupees, right, and he has sold it. Now we have to tell what is his gain percent, right? First of all, we will know a few things before we begin, right? We will calculate the cost price, right, which we call as CP, cost price of the article, right? Cost price is what? It is the price at which an article is brought, right? It is purchased, it is bought or purchased, right? That is the cost price. So it includes everything: repair, right, cartage, or moving the article from one place to another, it comes under cartage, and the price of the article. See, chair costed him rupees 700 and he spent 170 on repairs and 30 on the cartage. Cartage means moving the article from one place to another by road, right? So 30 rupees is spent on the cartage, 170 on repairs, 700 on the chair. So the cost price will be included of all the three. You will add all the three. The cost price will be 700 plus 170 plus 30, right? That is 700 plus 200, that is 900. So rupees 900 will be the cost price of what? Of the article. That is clear. The total cost which came into buying the article is rupees 900. Now selling price, right? There are two types of prices as we have discussed here. One is cost price, one is selling price. Cost price is the price for which the article is bought, and selling price is the price for which the article is sold. So we have sold the thing, right, this chair, for how many rupees? Rupees 1080, right? Okay, now there can be two scenarios. One scenario will be the cost price will be greater than selling price. The other scenario will be cost price will be less than selling price, right? So in this scenario, when cost price is more than selling price, there is always loss. In this scenario, when selling price is more than cost price, there is always profit, right? So you can write down and see which is greater. Cost price is greater or selling price is greater? Selling price. So when selling price is greater, what is there? Profit. So you can write down, says the selling price that is greater than cost price, there will be profit. Okay, there will be profit. Profit and gain and profit, they are same thing, right? So you will find both the words, and both the words mean the same thing, right? So now calculate the profit. So there is the formula for calculating profit, that is the selling price minus the cost price. Do that and see, your profit will be equal to selling price, that is 1080, minus cost price, that is 900. That means the profit will be equal to rupees 180, right? There is the profit of rupees 180 in selling the article. Now we calculate profit percent, that is asked in this question. Profit percent means profit upon cost price into 100. Use this formula, right? It is an important formula and it will come in your use every time. Always, be it gain percent, or if it is loss, be it loss percent. Both the things are calculated always on cost price, right? So that's why we have done profit upon the cost price, right? So profit upon cost price into 100. Now put the values down. Value of profit is 180, cost price is 900. So upon 900 into 100, this 0 cancel, this 0 cancel, 918 will cancel 2 times, so 20% comes out to be your final answer. This is the profit percent and your final answer, right? And friends, this is all for today. If you are new to my YouTube channel, do not forget to subscribe and leave a like on this one. Till then, take good care of yourselves and bye.